welcome back to the channel. So GoPros are good and all, but for like inside lighting they're terrible. Like I've rigged up. Hang on, I'm gonna go and get my phone. So you know what the best is I've set my camera gear. So yeah, this is what I've made. It's like a GoPro's on a stand, and then the obviously light is there, but it's so hard to like. GoPros, like I said, are perfect for natural lighting, but just for filming inside, they're shit. But yeah, anyway, yeah, welcome to SG Driven. As you can see, I've changed the name. Right, as I was saying, SG Driven, that is the new name. I've made an Instagram and everything. I'll put it all on the screen now, so drop me a follow. There's many reasons why. That's better. Yeah, there's many reasons why I changed the name. I just wanted it a bit more smart. I want to sound a bit more professional. I am setting up my own brand, so I'm going to be setting up my own merch. So yes, it's all changing and it's all positive. So pretty much keep you updated. 2 months ago, me and the boys met up and we were bored. We're just going to go and fly the drone and get some cool shots. Turns out it was too windy, so Dan was like, should we run a diff on the E46? I was like, you know what? Let's just do it. I want to drift it. I wanted to track it, drift it, whatever. So in a couple of weeks' time, I got BHP tomorrow, which I am filming. This is gonna be the like vlog day, getting ready for that. So the content will get better. Lost my train of thought. But yeah, we ran a diff on the 46, and pretty much, like I said, in a couple of weeks' time, the car's coming off the road, and then it's going to get some bit of work done to it, so it's ready for drifting. We'll vlog it and stuff like that. But I want to do, realistically, Dakota in like August time, I think. I want to August or September, which is pushing it because my little daughter's due in the start of September, so we'll have to see on that. But hopefully by October, we'll get a drift day in. I want to do Dakota because there's less tire walls. And I spent too much time and money on that car just to smash it up after one time. Don't mind damaging it or whatever like that, but if I ride it off in the first go, then I will be pretty pissed. I know, I do understand obviously it's going to happen or whatever, but how much money I spent over the years on it, it just seems like a bit of a waste just to smash it up on like the first lap or whatever. So Dakota's got like a cone track, so I'm going to be going there. But yeah, today's just pretty much a vlog day. We're going to be cleaning the cars, doing some bits, so I'm going to head up to Rob's now, and then yeah, so enjoy the video. Right, as you can see, ignore that, it's just an error, it's actually working. I need fuel, so let's go and grab some. So as you can see, we're at Rob's, currently just fucking fresh water in the car. I'm going to put it on time lapse and crack on. So as you can see, the car's all clean. We've had some lunch, but when we were cleaning the cars, the pressure washer chipped a bit of paint on Rob's bonnet, and now he's trying to mend it.
Fuck, stupid pressure. Oh my days, why is it just dripped a fucking massive shot?
Oh my god.
Oh, fuck me, Dick. What is happening?
Do you reckon you can try and spread that?
Yeah, she'll be right. It'll be right. I'll just sand it back in a minute. It'll be
Yeah.
fine. Mate, fuck
How long does that take to set?
I don't fucking know. I didn't read all the instructions.
Mate, this shit always happens the day before fucking shows, I'll tell you that. Apply high build primer using the
Fuck's
precious
sake.
nib.
Oh, fuck you, cunt. Well, I got primer on my fucking... What?
Oh. Yeah, I've got a cloth,
Tar and glue remover, mate, gone.
Oh, nice. Let's leave a fucking cloth there.
Yeah, jam that in there.
Yeah, nice.
Fuck's sake. Oh yeah, shit, I need to do this bit as well.
Apart from that, mate, the fucking car's looking sick.
Yeah, fuck the car.
We're supplying the goods.
Yeah, shit. Been in a year.
Mate, you hear all the cars down here, man.
Yeah, mate. Everyone going Mackie.
Yeah, it's true.
Oh shit. I mean, I don't know if it's working or not, I don't know.
Are you not?
I don't know. I think it is. Oh, I feel like it kind of is making it shine. Fucking shoe polish.
So, I'm using this. See what Rob's using.
Mate, shut up, look at it.
Fair play, it's actually coming up alright.
Mate, I just thought I'd try it.
Mate, I'm not gonna lie, on camera, it's no fucking difference.
Is it not?
No.
Alright, to my eye it's different.
No,
eye.
it does look better in person. Yeah, so shoe polish or tyre gel, they both work. So I'm going to end the video there. We ended up just cracking on. We did quite a lot. I'll show you around what we did. So since I put the car back on the road, my interior mirror has not stayed on. So I siliconed this bastard up. Hopefully tomorrow I can put the mirror back on. It's minus 40 degrees. But yeah, they got a nice new Subculture sticker on it. Looks smart, I think. But yeah, we're gonna. As you can see, it is looking clean. Did paint the bumpers, I haven't got a scratch anymore. It's not the best job, but it will do. Yeah, all the windows are clean. Do need to the clean interior, but that's tomorrow's job. But yeah, like I said at the start of the video, the YouTube name is now ST Driven, and hopefully we'll have a website with merch and everything coming soon. I'm hoping the next couple of weeks. So yeah, next video will be BHP, like a nice cool, like a general video of it. I'm not gonna do a vlog, I don't think, but it should still be a fucking good video. A lot of cool cars going. We've got a lot on the stand for South Culture, so yeah. But yeah, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, comment as well. Like and comment mainly, it just helps the algorithm on YouTube, which it helps me grow, helps me get out there. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you lot on the next one.